Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you an easy press-on nail manicure using the theme color Dirty Green. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First of all, I'll prep my nails. I'll come in with my cuticle pen and push my cuticles back. Next, I'll come in with a file and I'll file the surface and the edges as well. Then I'll come in with a dehydrator to get rid of any excess dust or oils that might be on my nails. I'll come in with a primer. I'll give my nails one coat each. I'll be using my base gel as glue, so I'll just get my fake nails, come in with a little bit of my base gel. Then stick it onto my fingernails and I'll push it into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. Afterwards, I'll just cure it for about 5 seconds just to secure it in place. I'll come in with my file and file off that, kind of pointy plastic at the tip of the nails. So in this video, I'll be using this kind of, antique green, dirty green kind of, color. So basically, this is one of the least desirable, colors for manicure. But I personally think it's nice and I wanted to give it a try. So I'll paint my thumb and my last finger with this color. So basically, I'll just, paint the whole nail. So with the index, the middle, and the ring finger, I would want to come in with some designs. So I'll go ahead and come in with a nude gel polish. So I've got this kind of pointy wood over here. You can use toothpicks if that's what you have. And I'll just dip it into the polish and just make dots, kind of create polka dots on my nail. With my middle finger, I would want to create a marble effect, so I'll come in with some white polish. Then the dirty green polish. I'll come in with a thin brush and just, play around a little bit to give it that marble effect. With the last finger, I would like to create a French tip. So I'll get a silicone stamp and come in with a green color. So I'll just dip the tip of my finger into the color and remove it gently to create that French look. Afterwards, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. some cuticle oil to relax my cuticles. So let me know, did you like the color? Didn't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. Do you think you are going to wear this kind of, undesirable color? I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.